Welcome back again. See, in the last class we have integrated some of the functions by substitution method and reduced the given functions to the standard forms. Okay, we have worked out some of the problems in our previous session. See, in this session it is a very important session. I hope all of you will go through the video and understand the concepts what we are discussing. See, today's concept is very important concept from the examination point of view. Say, integrals of particular functions. What do you mean by particular functions? See, particular function means the function should be in standard form. See, I have written the first one in the form of question. Okay, question will be like this. It will be for 5 marks in part D. It is very important. Listen carefully and observe the video carefully and go through the video 1 or 2 times after the completion of the class. Okay, in this session we are going to discuss integrals of some particular functions. Okay, this is the continued class on integrations. So I hope all of you will you have gone through our previous video classes. Okay, see, first one is, what is the first question here? See, find the integral of, see, this 1 by x square minus a square. Observe the denominator here. See, numerator is 1, so 1 is fixed in the numerator. In denominator is x square minus a square. So 1 by x square minus a square is one of the particular function. Here I am talking about the integration of this. See, 1 by x square minus a square. We have to find the integral of this with respect to x. Afterwards, we have to evaluate this integration of 1 by x square minus 25. So it is a problem or function related to this result only. Say x square minus a square. In place of a square, 25. So x square. So observe the denominator. Coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, that is called particular function. So here my first particular function is 1 by x square minus a square. We have to integrate this 1 by x square minus a square with respect to x, and afterwards we have to find the integral of this. This is a question carrying 5 marks. So we have some of the particular functions here. So in this session, let us discuss some of the integrals of particular functions. So very important session. So observe and listen carefully. Okay. Afterwards, write down all the steps neatly. Okay. Let us begin the solution of this. See, first I have to find the integral of this function. So that is, let us equate it to I. So I have to find the integral of 1 by x square minus a square with respect to x. I have to find the integral of this. Okay. See here, observe the denominator here. See, x square minus a square. So for the denominator, observe this. For the denominator, what is the denominator? Let me write it here. X square minus a square. So for this, I can use a square minus b square formula. See, you think this as a and b. See, a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. So I can write this as a minus b means x minus a into, see, x plus a. Okay, so denominator becomes x minus a into x plus a. So that is x square minus a square means what? X minus a into x plus a using the formula. I can write the denominator as x minus a into x plus a. This is the first step. Then okay, observe this. See, numerator is 1, so fixed. In the denominator we had x square minus a square, so I have written this as x minus a into x plus a. Okay, then okay, let me write it here. See, dividing and multiplying by, see, 2a. So 2a, what is 2a? This 2a is a constant, so I will divide and multiply both this numerator and denominator by 2a. Okay, I will divide and multiply by 2a. So that is, so I will get, okay, see, dividing and multiplying by 2a. So that is integration of, say, observe the steps carefully. So I will divide and multiply by 2a means, so see, I will write this. See, I am dividing and multiplying by 2a means 2a divided by 2a. Okay, this equal quantity get cancels. I will get back to the result. So I will write 1 2a in the numerator and this denominator. Okay, I have another 2a. So that I can write it here. See, observe this. 2a divided by 2a. Okay, I will write 1 2a in the numerator. Then Okay, 1 by, so I have written 1 2a in the numerator, then another 2a I write it in the denominator itself. Then what is my denominator? X minus a into x plus a, okay, dx. Observe this, dividing and multiplying by 2a. So 1 2a write in the numerator, another 2a is in the denominator. Then let me continue here. See, 1 by 2a into integration of, see, this 2a can be written as a plus a, sum of this a plus a. So a plus a means what? That gives me 2a. Then write the denominator as it is. See, you need not write all the steps after practicing, so you can write it directly. Okay, see, a plus a, that gives me 2a. Then see here, x, observe the denominator. See, x minus a, x plus a. There are two factors in the denominator, x minus a and x plus a. Okay, see here, in the numerator we have a plus a. See, along with a I have x in the denominator, so I want to get x in the numerator because x minus a and x plus a is present in the denominator. So to get x, what we have to do? We have to add and subtract x to the numerator. So that is, okay, I will write it here, dividing and multiplying by, so adding and subtracting the numerator. See, I will write it as it is here. See, 1 by 2a into integration of, see, a plus a is, I will write it as it is, see, a plus a. So what I will do, I will write the denominator as it is, x minus a into x plus a with respect to, see, in for the numerator I want to get x along with a, so I will add x. Okay, see, I have added x, and you, same thing can be subtracted here, so result will be nullified. See, adding and subtracting x. So then see here, x plus a, and another factor is x minus a. So group the terms. So in the denominator we have x plus a and x minus a. Okay. Then let me group, see, x plus a. So let me take this x and this a. See, x plus a. So I will group those terms. See, 1 by 2a into integration of, see, I will write first x because x is the first term here. See, x plus a, I will write these two terms, x plus a. Okay, I will put the bracket. So these two terms are over, x plus a. Then observe the numerator. See, observe the numerator carefully. Then see, minus x plus a is left over. So minus x plus a means, so there are two terms here. Okay, what are the terms? See, let me write it here. Minus x plus a is left over. So from this I will take minus outside. That I will write it here. See, if I take minus outside, what I will get? See, x minus a. That is minus x minus minus plus a. So that I will get as x minus a divided by, write the denominator as it is, x minus a into x plus a with respect to x. Okay, so I have grouped these two terms and I have taken minus outside from the remaining two terms. Then I will get x minus a. See, observe this, x minus a into x plus a, product monomial. So numerator is this, you treat this whole term as one term and this is second term, that is binomial. So numerator is binomial, denominator is monomial. So we can split it. So see, observe carefully. So I told it in my previous class. If your integral is like this, so this thing can be written as a by c plus b by c, same thing. So x plus a divided by denominator minus x minus a divided by denominator. That I will do in the next step. So that is, how can I write this? See, 1 by 2a. So now splitting this, say, integration of. So what is the first term? X plus a divided by denominator. So what is the denominator? X minus a into x plus a with respect to x minus, okay, let me put the square bracket, minus, then second term is the integration of x minus a divided by x minus a into x plus a with respect to x. Okay, so I have splitted these terms, x plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a minus x minus a divided integration of, okay, integration symbol is there, x minus a divided by x minus a into x plus a. Now let me see, before going to the next step, see here, x plus a get cancels, I will get, okay, integration of 1 by the denominator I got x minus a with respect to x minus integration of, okay, see here, x minus a get cancels, I will get 1 by x plus a with respect to x. Observe this carefully. After cancelling, what I got? 1 by x minus a, say x plus a get cancels, then here x minus a get cancels, I get 1 by x minus a with respect to x. Now see what is the integration of this. Observe this, 1 by 2a into, see integration of this, let us recall the formula. So integration of, integration of 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is what? Log x. Okay, you know the formula. Or if x is replaced by, see integration of x is log x plus constant of integration, of course. Then integration of, see if x is replaced by ax plus b or x minus a, okay, here x minus a is there, then result won't change. See log of x minus a, coefficient of x is 1, you need not worry about it, divided by 1 only, okay, log of x minus a. So integration of 1 by x minus a is what? Log of x minus a minus, what is integration of 1 by x plus a? Similarly, integration of 1 by x plus a with respect to x, that will be what? Log of x plus a. You replace x by x minus a and x plus a. So log integration of 1 by x plus a will be what? Log of x plus a. Okay. See this step. So 1 by 2a into log of x minus a minus log of x plus a. Okay, I will write it. Write the same step here. See 1 by 2a into log of x minus a minus log of x plus a. Okay. Now see 1 by 2a as it is outside. See log x minus a minus log of x plus a. Let us use the log property. We know in differentiation, log m minus log n gives me what? Log of m by n. Okay, log of m by n. So you treat this as m and this as n. See log m minus log n, that gives me what? Log of m means x minus a. See log m divided by n. N means x plus a. Plus constant of integration. So this result. Therefore, what I got? Integration of 1 by x square minus a square with respect to x. I got 1 by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus constant of integration. This is my first standard integral or particular function. So integration of 1 by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus constant of integration. See, this is the required result. Integral of this, see integral of 1 by x minus a square is 1 by 2a into log of x minus a divided by x plus a plus